First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
We're getting some rain and even a few thunderstorms as expected this morning, so be ready for that on your drive into work. As you look at First Alert Live Doppler radar, we've got it in motion here showing you the movement of the showers coming from the southwest and moving pretty much northeast. Another little cluster of thunderstorms now about to move into Russellville. See the lightning strikes there just a little south of town, so if you're in Logan County, you'll be watching for those. But again, nothing serious and nothing severe. We're at 64 degrees currently. Let's show you some rainfall totals courtesy of the Kentucky Mesonet Network. And since midnight, nothing at the Mesonet site out at the farm here in Bowling Green, but 1200s here in Russellville, and you're about to get some more. 1/100th of an inch of rain in Franklin, 1500ths in Elkton, 1/3 of an inch in Greenville, almost 4/10ths of an inch of rain now in Madisonville, and about that much in Hartford. And you see out to the east, hardly anything showing up because the rain has yet to enter east of I-65, where the temperatures actually are a bit warmer and the winds have been coming out of the south and gusty at 20, almost 30 miles per hour. But now a cold front is pushing through, and we're seeing a shift in the winds right across Bowling Green and back to the west. Winds are now coming in from the northwest, which is a sure sign that the cold front is making its way through. And here's another way to tell. Look at the temperatures east of us in the low to mid 60s, 64 here in Bowling Green, but just back west of us in Greenville, it's only 47 degrees, and temperatures are starting to fall now into the 50s and even upper 40s as the cold front is punching its way right through the area. As far as your hometown forecast today, we go to the Lake Cumberland area, and for this we normally put a high temperature for the day, but I'm going to put an afternoon high temperature in here because the temperatures will begin to fall even this morning, even that far east. So we'll say about 55 for an afternoon high for Russell Springs and the Jamestown area. Burkesville about 56, maybe 55 for Albany. By the way, the Kentucky Powerball jackpot for tonight, $116 million, and the Mega Millions drawing at $103 million. Look at the improvement here in the air quality. We're back down into the green zone as far as the tree and grass pollen, but that's because of the rain, and as soon as the rain stops, that's going to go back up, you know. Ozone and molds are low. UV index will be running moderate for today. Showers moving back into the Bowling Green area now. You can see the rain coming down at the hill at Western, and maybe even a rumble of thunder, a flash of lightning can't be ruled out. 64 degrees now. The wind's still out of the southwest, but they will soon shift here in the next hour or so. Pressure is steady. 55 with the cold front coming through Russellville now. Your temperatures are dropping as the rain is falling there in Russellville, and you're starting to find some lightning and thunder there just south of town. Franklin seeing the showers. You're still warm at 63 degrees, but you've dropped to 55 with the showers in Grayson County and Litchfield as the cold front is punching through the region now. Ahead of the front, temperatures in the 60s, behind it mainly in the 40s. A big drop off in temperature. In fact, the difference here, we are 17 degrees warmer at this hour than we were yesterday, while St. Louis is 20 degrees colder. And you can see the dividing line here, the cold front punching through. Still lots of rain on the radar. It's going to take a while to get all of this through the south central Kentucky area, so expect the rain to continue through the morning drive. And then about midday, early afternoon, we'll begin to see things lighten up just a bit as the cold front makes its way east. Still some cloud cover and drizzle for the afternoon. Begin to clear up tonight as high pressure takes over. The winds will become calm, and because of that, under a clear sky, we could see some patchy frost toward morning in a few areas, so be aware of that. And then a little clipper system will come through tomorrow with a few clouds, but other than that, we're looking good for the next day or two. Morning high of 67. Now temperatures will begin to fall as they have to the west of Bowling Green, turning cooler with occasional showers and storms. Rain ending, then clearing tonight. Some patchy frost in some areas, a low of 36. Tomorrow, mainly sunny and 64, 67 Friday. Much of the day will be dry and sunny, but late day showers will move back in. In fact, Friday night into Saturday, scattered showers and a few thunderstorms in the 60s, but warming into the 70s for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday.